Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to add a computer to a Microsoft local Active Directory domain. So in this case, I have a Windows 11 PC here. So we're going to look at how to add this Windows 11 PC to a local Microsoft Active Directory domain. And we're going to look at two ways of doing this. So the first way is to open the File Explorer or the Windows Explorer, and then right click on this PC, select Properties, and then in the properties you will see the domain or work group. Click on that option to open the System Properties window. Click the Change button, and then you will see the domain and the work group option. By default, every computer is in a work group. So select the domain, enter your domain name. In this case, I entered the domain, and then click OK. Once you click OK, you need to enter the domain user accounts name and then the password, the domain admin user accounts and password. Click OK, and then you would need to click OK on the pop-up window. Click OK there, click OK there, and then click close, click restart now to restart the PC, to join the PC to the domain. So this PC has been joined to a domain. So to remove it from the domain, same steps. Right click on this PC, click on properties, click domain and work group, click change, and then in this case you want to select work group option. Switch the radio button from the domain to the work group option, and then enter work group in caps. Once you do that, click the OK button to save your settings. Click OK again. It will prompt you that you are leaving the domain, so click OK to agree to it. You're going to need to enter the domain admin username and password again. When done, click the OK button, and then you would need to click OK, a couple of OKs to remove the PC from the domain. Restart the PC to remove it from the domain. So the second way of joining a computer or removing it from a domain is to click the start button. So we're going to click the start button and then select the settings app. Click accounts on the left, scroll down on the right, and then select access work or school. From there, click the connect button, and then you should see two options. Join this device to a Microsoft Entra ID, which is the cloud domain, and then join this device to a local Active Directory domain. So click the second option, enter your domain name, click next, and then again you're going to have to enter the domain admin's username and password to authenticate it and join the PC to the domain. So we're going to skip here and then click the restart now to restart the PC to complete joining the PC to the domain using this very approach. So the system rebooted and the computer has been joined to the domain. So to remove it, using the second step as well, click settings, click accounts, select access work or school accounts, and then you will see the domain we joined right there. It says connected to that domain, AD domain. So click on it and then click the disconnect option, and then it's going to prompt you that you're going to remove your access from resources like email, apps, network, and other contents. So just click yes, and then click the disconnect option to remove the PC or the computer or this Windows 11 PC from the Active Directory domain, the Microsoft Active Directory domain. So we're again going to have to reboot the PC by clicking the restart now to remove this PC from that particular Active Directory domain. So the system rebooted, and again the PC has been removed from the domain. So to confirm that the PC has been removed, go through the same steps, using the first step to confirm that it's been removed, and then also using the second step to ensure that the PC has been removed. So yes, guys, we looked at how to add a PC or a Windows 11 PC to a Microsoft local Active Directory domain, and also how to remove that PC from that same domain using two approaches or two procedures. So kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then also follow us on TikTok, like our videos, share our videos on TikTok to grow that community as well. And then I will see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye.